morning.
Morning.
What are we up to today, Del?
Making a cheesecake for someone's birthday tomorrow.
Anything I ever ask for on my birthday is a cheesecake. Why? Because you
like
make the
cheesecake?
best cheesecakes in the world. Why do I like these ones?
Because it's the one your mum used to make.
Well, yeah, it's Mum used to make, but they're so yummy. So these aren't baked cheesecakes,
No,
are they?
No, they're just the old-fashioned condensed milk lemon cheesecake.
They are so yum. And I love how Adele makes them too. So Adele started this off. What have we done here, Adele?
Already made the base. Just used the old chocolate ripple biscuits, popped them in a Ziploc bag, crushed them with my little trusty little rolling pin that I have in the motorhome, and just melted some butter and just pressed it into the cake tin, and then that goes in the fridge.
Cool. And that forms the base of...
Yep, that's the base of the cheesecake. So it'll just be in the fridge for a bit before I start the other filling.
Okay, cool.
So
So we've got that done.
Yep.
What's next?
So I've got the condensed milk and the Philadelphia cream cheese ready to mix up. So just beat that up with some lemon, which I haven't got out yet, but just one or two lemon juices of a lemon. Just depends on how thick it gets. And if you want, you can fold in some cream at the end, but just the condensed milk and cream cheese. Whip that up until it's thick enough to look like it's going to set in the fridge. Keep it in the fridge, set, and you've got a cheesecake.
Yum. Oh. All right, let's see how this progresses and our final product, and see if I can get away with eating it before my birthday.
No. It's a birthday present, which you get on your birthday, which is tomorrow.
Yeah, but still.
No, you can have it for breakfast.
All right, I could live with that. Okay,
So,
see how we go.
yep. Just got to add the lemon juice. Just a sec. So we're just going to add the lemon juice. Gradually add that in. So I've beat up the condensed milk, the Philadelphia cream cheese, and just till it's thick and stands on its own, and it'll actually set in the fridge after that. So just keep beating it until it's nice and thick. That could be a little bit thicker. My mum actually folds in the whipped cream at this stage. I'm not sure what your mum used to do, whether she used to put that in, but you don't have to put the cream, but I'll give that a go and see if that sets. So we'll put that into the biscuit base tin.
Are we getting closer to the good part where I get to lick the beaters and the bowl?
If you wish.
Yay. It's always the fun part of the baking. Oh, that's looking yum.
So we'll just spread it around and pop it in the fridge. Usually takes about 24 hours, so if you can leave it as long as you can to set in the fridge, that's good. But you can eat it sooner, it's just not set as much. Depends how urgent the need is.
Urgent. When it comes to cheesecake, it's urgent. Okay, so they're my beaters.
Yep, there you go.
Yummo. Alright, gotta leave you now, guys. The best part. So what are we decorating it with?
Just decorating it with some strawberries and kiwi fruit.
Okay.
Since someone might be having some for breakfast, fruit is the healthy option.
There's probably a pretty big chance someone's going to be having it for breakfast.
Probably.
It was lucky we went out last night, otherwise I might have just...
It's lucky I
Snack
didn't
a piece.
take it with us when we went out.
Yeah. I bet you anything that's why Jason and Denise want to come over and say goodbye this morning.
Let's have some cheesecake.
Yeah.
Could be.
Jason and Denise are our mates from West Aussie Nomads. We managed to catch them up last night.
There we go. You can put some cream on as well. I won't put the cream on till later. Till we're about to eat it.
This is something of a tradition now. Cheesecake on my birthday.
Sure is.
I like the tradition.
Happy
Let's-
birthday.
Let's keep it up. Thank you.